Danke.
I
Dunder.
thought we were friends, Mira. When you dismissed me the other day, I won't say it didn't hurt my feelings. We've known each other for years. It's a private matter.
Ali one su žene, pa onda, ja.
Well, I did.
A, žene.
I thought there was trust between us. Friends don't hold secrets from one another.
Ha.
Now Lady Marjorie thinks you don't trust me, and she values your opinion very much. Sarah,
Čekaj, to zapravo nije ona.
Čekaj, to
Nego
zapravo
ona
ono...
plava iz X-mena.
my lady.
Never mind.
Kako se zove?
Mystique.
Mystique. I would Mystique that be.
Are you all right, my
I would
lady?
put Mystique in that Mystique.
Yeah.
The king was not inclined to offer help for your family.
Aw.
It's mended.
Cookies. Bub,
Prvo je bio Riveć.
He said I was too easily swayed.
A nekako sam očekivao sise, pošto ih je bilo u Wolf Among Us.
Da, tam nije baš bilo očekivano, ali...
For now,
To je bio strip club.
because it will be a long
Nije
time
gledao,
before
da.
I can ask
Wait,
you
what?
anything
A,
again.
niš.
Nothing
Još
I
niste
said
tam
to
došli.
cheer him.
Bili smo
Prvo
prvo.
epizode
He
ti
wouldn't
prošlo.
even speak to me when I left him.
What can I do to make this better, my lady?
There's nothing you can do, Mira.
I can. I can show my book to everyone. No, this is awkward.
Ramsay Snow is on his way to Ironrath.
Se čuje da će ih poubija sve. Da će
Čekaj, je zapravo lagala i uspjela je poslat.
This is simply not how things are done, Mira. Not in King's Landing.
I'm sorry, my lady.
Gost bđo.
Soon I will be queen, and maybe then I'll be in a better position to help you. But for now we must both be cautious.
Ali za
I'm
sad,
not
sad.
Lady Raven. I have to warn my family. If you'll
Možda će
excuse
svaki
me,
mjesec po jednu epizodu ovog stavljati da vidiš priču od tog klana koji padne i onda ti što ostane od tog ti će se sprijateljiti sa Starksima ostalim.
My lady,
Who knows?
Get it?
begging your pardon, lady.
A vidi
I
ovo.
hope I didn't frighten you.
Ovog, idiote.
Ne,
Sve se silovat.
The
I'm
Carly.
glad to see you.
Thank you, my lady. I hope you saw. I was right before. About Lady
sad kad neko
Marjorie and
počne
Queen
kašljati,
Cersei.
bude ga zapalila.
Just what you need.
Did I hear someone coughing?
And your family, if you're willing to trust me, I hear all sorts of things. Things that could be useful for you.
How can you help me? My problems can't be solved by what you might overhear.
Which is why you must trust me, my lady. You need allies.
Trebaš alias.
Hopefully I've proven I could be useful to you.
I'm sorry. I really must go.
She has to
Please don't
poop.
despair.
Yeah.
I know people who...
Also poop.
Ne.
Ne smrdi.
O, smrdno.
Aj bog!
Usrala se, nije stigla na WC.
O,
A evo ga. Gospod Nikola. To je njihov
u armoru je tak da mu ne smrdi.
My god, guys. Da.
O?
A ipak je osjetio.
Ajoj!
Oj, daj brzo, požuri se na WC.
To klipanje i guzice,
Vidio sam, da.
Kud sad idemo? Sad idemo kod...
Nisu je
Where's
klipanje.
Sir Roy?
A mrvicu, onak,
He
malo.
should be here.
Aha.
Man
Oh,
values
some
pride more than honor. We'll do
I
without
sve
it.
se sjebali
And
sa tim
without
diplomatskim
peace,
sranjima
I
svojim.
know you'd hoped Mira could help us. I'm confident we've enough strength of our own. Your men stand ready to act if needed.
We will prevail.
Quite
Yes.
a good one.
Aha.
It'll work so long as
Vjerojatno,
everyone
bez
does their part.
borbe, bez ičeg. Budemo.
He appreciates your confidence.
No.
Vidi debelog i Remzija.
Opet se najao.
Još više.
A lovely pile of timber.
Jel ovaj put ima...
Sve će zapali, da.
Everyone being built. Right. Ironwood is near impervious to flame, my lord. Is it?
Aha.
May I introduce Lord Ramsay of House Bolton, son of Roose Bolton? Although a bastard, Lord Ramsay has the full authority of the
Thank you.
Warden
No.
of the...
That's enough.
Ni njemu samo ne sviđa. Dobro. Imamo nešto zajedničko.
Who is this little boy? Is he lost?
Lord Ramsay, welcome to Ironrath.
Aren't you the little lord? Lord Whitehall told me you were young. This. Look at you.
A token for the new Warden of the North.
Let me guess. Forrester Iron.
Carved by our most skilled craftsmen.
Ironwood. Doesn't look like much.
No.
Don't know what's so special about it.
Your father will appreciate it, I hope. Our ironwood is highly sought after.
My father is not so easily impressed.
Już nic teraz.
O!
That's
Próbujemy.
Not bad. Lord Whitehill, can your lot do this?
Given enough time, we could learn.
Given enough time, you could do it. But not this. Apparently.
So that's good.
That. All forest.
Lord Ramsay.
Oh god. Not my brother.
Hallå,
We
mamma!
must focus on the business at hand. Lord Ramsay, please.
Bravo, Ivane.
The Lord wishes to see you.
First, let's see you bend the knee to my father, Lord Bolton, Warden of the North. Words are wind. Anyone can say.
Aj, to nie znam.
Diplomacji.
Diplomaci, to si izabrao.
Da.
My lord.
Ha!
Little
That
bitch.
wasn't so hard.
Little bitches, ja bih sve poubio, a ti tu i ovoj.
Matija, ajde da se ti u toj situaciji.
I don't
Ja bi ga ubio u 2
Pa ja ne bi
sekunde.
bio u toj situaciji, ja
Bi.
bih sve poubio već.
Whatever you've been
Jedino bi kleknuo da provjerim, jer su mrtvi.
Shield, chamber pots. I expect you'll do the same.
I onda onak dok klekneš a više mrtav.
My
Haha,
father
kleknu
promised
si.
much to the king.
Bleh.
You wouldn't want to make him a liar, would you? That wouldn't reflect well on me.
You needn't worry. Your father will have what he needs.
That's a good little boy.
You can't trust your Forrester. They murdered our men.
It was Forrester Squire who did it. One Whitehill soldier dead. One
Why
boy.
should I lie to you?
Da,
Yet your
lagao
man-
ti je.
Lago ti je.
Lord Whitehill is a liar. That's not how it happened.
Lad? A liar? He's a Whitehill. Then
He's a
you
fat
welcomed
guy.
me to your hall like a proper lord, hoping I wouldn't linger outside long enough to notice your pathetic little arm. That sort of insolence from one of our loyal bannermen will not do.
Vaša ideja.
So I
Za-
come up with a solution
da
that
kažem,
will
ono.
benefit
That didn't go well.
Tvoja ideja da
Whitehills will be taking control of your ironwood from this day forward.
What? The ironwood. But
That is our livelihood.
Then you'd better well find another fucking job.
you can't do that.
Why not? You know something the Whitehill's done? We are talking about trees. You grow them, you cut them down. It can't be that difficult.
We have loyal craftsmen who make the finest weapons. The Whitehills have no such craftsmen. Do you want ironwood for the next 5 years or the next 50 generations?
The little lord does have a point. We'll try this. Lord Whitehill will take half of your ironwood, and we'll see who fares better.
But my lord.
Half of something is better than the nothing you had before.
Donekle smo se
Pretty sure
izvukli.
there's no trouble. Lord Whitehill will install a garrison of 20 men within
3. 20 men.
We cannot abide. Ethan,
They'll help maintain the king's peace
Ne.
and make
We'll
sure
bar the
there's
gates.
no more trouble.
We'll bar the gates.
Too late for that.
Oni su ga čuli kad napravili ovaj potez
Da.
s rukom.
Imaju
Another
kameru.
man you trust?
My son, Griff.
Riff will lead the garrison.
You have no right. Whitehills have no place here.
lads. Do make this visit worthwhile.
Please, Duncan, don't.
To si ti organizirao.
Look at this little Forrester.
Sad će ga se loviti.
Frightened, are you?
Lord Ramsay, please.
And you? Are you Lord Ethan's older sister?
I'm his twin, my lord.
Oh, twin. Well, like the Queen and her brother. Well, hopefully not. Yeah. I never had a sister.
Enough.
We have more to discuss, Lord Snow.
I have an idea. You come with me. You can be my highborn ward.
Lord Ramsay, that's enough.
Sjebo si joj.
Do you like Hanta?
Let her go.
Borba bi jako bolje
She's quite
prošla.
pretty.
Ja.
Grab
Your
Telia.
sister.
You can still do it.
We get along well.
Take me instead.
Ti si kralj,
Oh
onak.
god.
Kak si glup.
Oh god.
Najgori mogući izbori. Eto.
I suppose you can stay. Aren't you the brave lord?
Voldemort. Ivane, mrtav si. Aaaa.
But
Well.
I don't want a brave lord.
Nah, boy.
Mislim ću ja to morat odigrati još.
Ja mislim da ću ja morat.
Even though you did abandon me.
Fuck diplomacy, man.
I think
Da.
we've come to an understanding. I certainly feel better about all this.
What have you done?
However,
Sa Ramsey, ma Ivane, ha? Ha?
take the boy as your ward. Kill him. Think you're in any trouble. Lovely meeting all. We'll have to do it again sometime.
Bravo, Ivan, bravo, jesi sretan?
Skoro.
Zadovoljan, da. Nije baš ti rekao to.
Let it go!
Stop them! Stop it!
A možda preživiš, sam te vrat pikne.
Sad će on loadat save i pobiti stvari.
A šta
Ajmo
su
vidjet
trebali...
kog će Ivan još.
Šta su trebali očekivati?
Your story has
Jel
begun.
to to?
Next time.
Što je to?
That was fast. Vidimo šta će se dogoditi.
Ethan's
Čemu će
sacrifice
još
can
sjebat?
save for us all. He saved
Svemu.
Talia's life. He'll be remembered
A,
as
spasi
Ethan the
stav.
Brave.
A, evo, Ethan the Brave.
Je, da.
I will leave this house. My sister asked you to swear loyalty to her son, and you did it without flinching.
We can't let them hurt Ryan too. We have to stop them.
We do not stand alone. There are those who will fight for us. Those who hold House Forrester above all other loyalties.
Ej!
Oh,
Sean!
Until Ryan is home again, our house
Ko su ti?
will not
A
fall.
to
We will be ready.
Matt,
guy.
kak se zove?
Nothing comes without a cost, my lady.
I don't know.
Are you prepared for what might happen?
Malcolm je onaj bio. Koji
ja
je-
vjerujem da ovo bio
Jel
dobra odluka.
Jel taj malo?
A da vidimo.
Okej.
Znači, većina je bilo dobro. You and 52% left Bowen behind, to je onaj na početku.
Da.
Fuck
Fuck him.
him. Onda 73% swore loyalty to the king. Da,
Ne, ja ne.
Cersei. Erik to, da. U stvari, mislim da si u većini, zato što 3 su odabira bila, pa onda bi 33% bilo...
Da. I ovdje je bilo isto 33%. Većina ljudi je koja je odabrala,
Čekaj, je to bilo?
Ne, bilo je samo
Bilo je
Jeste
It's
Gates?
Ili, a na Gatesima ili to,
Gates
da.
ili to?
Da, dva.
A dobro,
Svejedno više.
Pussies.
I većina su izabrali Duncana. Da. A mogu si trojicu da... trojicu odabrati za
Ne, sam
Sentinel.
si mogu njih dvoje.
A, sam njih dvoje.
Da.
Okej.
Pa, dobro. Čak.
Nije, pa ako je većina izabrala ne znači da je dobro.
Ne mora-
Demokracija
ne mora
nije
znači.
dobra stvar nikad.
Da.
A Matija...
Trebamo imat
Baš me zanima kad će tebi završiti, kad ti budeš u rat. Svi će odmah umrt, neće ovak biti.
Budu ubili sestru i brata i
Baš da mi
mami.
briga.
Poanta je da si umru, da. It doesn't matter.
But you go down fighting.
Kad smo već kod fightinga, se da kome bro, blat.
Idemo, bro.
I wanna make a bro.
Ja ne.
Oh,
Idemo.
you.
Nas dvoje.
Yes.
Ja ću na WC pa onda ću doći.
Možda ćeš doći, a?
Ne, probat ću igrat.
Ja sam probao.
Lazo nikad nije igrao. Mati je igrao 2 po 3 put.
Sam mi reci kako ga skačem da mogu izbjegavati.
Gore ili krug i trokut. Iglomba ima.
Čak možeš birati, imaš 3 opcije.
Oooo.
Ok, ovo
Još
još...
disko, sve 3 pa ne budete skužili.
Više opcije nego Telltale Games.
Oni imaju dvije odluke.
Pa većinom, da.
Iako ti kao su 3, ali su zapravo 2. Dakle.
Ali svejedno nemaš takve utjecaje jer znaš da će iduća epizoda biti takva kako mora biti.
Da. Playtesters. Evo, između njih 40 si bio. To je 60%, šta ćeš?
Šta je to sad bilo?
Znaš je ispod stola Resident Evil 4.
To je tvoja najbolja igra.
A, tu je bila dok sam ju tražio, sjećaš.
Ispred stola, really? A to ti je rezerva, ovdje izgubiš da imaš još jedno ispod stola. A šta ako tu drugu izgubiš ispod stola? Onda nađeš 2.
Onda ću 2 igrat. 2 kompjutera bude imao i bude na ovo 2 igrat.
I All 22 Horses, niste vidjeli.
Šta?
22 puta su se pojavili.
Oh!
Pisali kao All 22 Horses.